Plastids. What are plastids? Plastids, these are one of the most important cellular organelles which are found in plant cells and algal cells. Along with these, they are also found in some protists, for example, Euglena. Plastid, basically, they were discovered by the Haeckel. And what is their importance? They play an important role in the process of photosynthesis and also involved in the food storage. Types of plastids. Basically, there are different type of plastids which are divided on the basis of presence and absence of the type of pigments in them. Proplastid is one of them. Proplastid, as the name indicates, these are the young, immature and developing plastids. They are not fully mature, and these are self-replicating organelles. Why self-replicating organelles? Because these plastids, they divide and redivide in the meristematic region of the cells. Meristematic region, basically these are the actively dividing cell region of a cell. Another type of the plastid, here comes the leukoplast. Leuko means colorless. These plastids, they are colorless without any colored pigment, and these are mainly found in the plant parts which are not exposed to light. The examples include tubers, roots, rhizomes. Basically, these are the underground parts of the plant body. The next to this is that of the chromoplast. Chromoplast are the type of plastids that contain color pigments in them other than green. Another most important type of the plastid is that of chloroplast. Chloroplast, they contain the green pigment chlorophyll in them. Therefore, these are also known as the green plastids. Now, what is etioplast? Etioplast, basically it is the type of leukoplast which on exposure to light develop into the chloroplast. When these etioplast, which are the types of leukoplast, when they get exposed to the light, they convert into the chloroplast. Similarly, chloroplasts, they may become leukoplast. These are interconvertible. Chloroplast, it may become leukoplast. But colored plastids, which are present in the petals, they are mostly terminally differentiated. Now coming towards the detail of the leukoplast. Leukoplast, as I have already mentioned about it, that these are the colorless plastids, and where they are located, the location, or they are found in the parenchymal region of the root, stem and seeds. What is their function? Why they are important? Leukoplast, basically they act as storage organelles, or they are linked or associated with the storage of food molecules. Now, on the basis of the type of the food which they store, leukoplast is further divided into three main parts. First one is the amyloplast. Amyloplast is the type of leukoplast which stores starch or carbohydrates in them. For example, potato tubers, rhizome and rice, etc. Next to this is the elaioplast. Elaioplast, they store lipids or fats in them. The example includes the castor seed and groundnuts. The third type of the leukoplast is that of the proteinoplast. Proteinoplast, as the name indicates, they store proteins in them. Example includes pulses, maize, etc. Chromoplast. Now coming towards the chromoplast, another important category of the plastids. They contain colored pigments in them. They synthesize and store different colored pigments other than green. They are present in which region? They are found in the colored parts of the plant, such as flower petals and fruit wall, where they attract insects and therefore helps in the process of pollination. Chromoplast, because they contain the colored pigments in them, so they help in pollination process. Chloroplast, the types of the plastids which are green in color, The pigment which is present in them, that is known as the chlorophyll, and these are found in the green parts of the plant and they act as site of photosynthesis.